Hey y'all! Welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we're going to make some homemade chicken noodle soup. We're going to throw in some chicken broth, whatever's left in this bin, 3 cups or so. Get out of there. And we'll throw in, I have 3 breasts here. I think we'll throw in 1. I don't want a huge batch, but that should be enough. And we'll let that cook up. Alright y'all, I just microwaved a cup or so of carrots that I chopped and froze. I don't think the chicken's done, so we just have chicken broth. We're gonna do some salt and pepper. I'm gonna go easy, hopefully, on the pepper, because one time I made it way too peppery. Then we will shred that chicken whenever it's cooked. I think the thyme's a little overpowering sometimes, but my husband actually really likes it. So about half a teaspoon or so. This is also a small batch because I don't want 15 years of chicken noodle. Little garlic, little onion, thyme, and I'm gonna try to find an already opened rosemary. This is our spice drawer, y'all. The main ones are huge right here. I have like Lowry's, homemade taco seasoning, cumin, store-bought taco seasoning. I kept it for like a flavor difference. Garlic, onion, lemon pepper. Then some little ones over here, I have them labeled, and my main ones are like right here. Then I have like Tony's and ginger in a bag, couple under here, stuff that we need to use up. And I have my baking drawer, which is mostly coffee, bouillons, my hand mixer, some mostly bouillons, some big spices, coffee, vanilla, baking soda, mostly baking spices, sprinkles. I have like clove, nutmeg, pumpkin spice, corn syrup, my hand mixer, and then some jar lids. Then down here is mostly excess, like large things: salt, pepper, refills, peanut butter, mouse and dog, well, basically mouse, peanut butter, some soda stuff, an extra vanilla bean, coffee, an electric knife, just some bigger things, baking powder. And in here I keep utensils I use but less common. And in here I keep my silverware, most used utensils, standing up, like measuring spoons, and then spoons that I use all the time. They're in this bin because it's inevitable, y'all. Mice happen. And with this lifestyle, y'all, we're out and about, going all over the place, here and there. So yeah, mice happen. It's irritating having to clean all my utensils, especially if we don't have unlimited water at the moment. It makes it very difficult. So that's what I've learned to do, and it works for me. I love it because I don't have to wash every single thing in our camper, and it's just locked away. That chicken should be done soon. I'm gonna pull it apart in a second, then I'll give her a shred and add the noodles. All right, y'all, I believe this chicken is done. Try to get this carrot off. Try to pull this booger apart. And it can also cook a bit when I put these noodles in. I don't want it to be overdone, but we really don't want it underdone. It looks pretty much done. Rather it be overdone than underdone and have a sick family. It's the whole reason we make chicken noodle soup, right? Because the fam doesn't feel good. Alright, y'all, I'm going to shred up this chicken real quick. Alright, y'all, we're going to put this chicken back in. I've shredded it decent. It's either just done and basically perfect, or it needs just a hair longer, which that's fine because it'll cook with the noodles. These noodles are a little thicker than the ones, are a little thicker and bigger than the ones that I need to add. I say need to because we don't really like them, so I want to use them up and get rid of them. This is a medium egg noodle. I don't know, it's tiny. We don't want that. My family prefers a big, thicker noodle. So that's what we do. Make sure all that's covered. Hopefully I didn't over pepper. We're gonna leave that for like 6. I try to go under so I don't overcook it, and we'll let that cook. All right, y'all, it's been that 6 minutes and I think it's probably done. It's smoking hot and might need to add more liquid actually. Let's try the noodle. pretty good. I think it needs salt. I think it needs more everything. Again, I'm going to be careful with that one because I don't want to overdo it again. I'm not going to add more garlic because we don't have powder, we have granulated. And I will add a little more rosemary and thyme and a little more broth. Just water. The noodles soak it up, but it still looks delicious. Usually I slice my carrots, but like a slice versus cubing them. I think I like the cubes, y'all. I have that little chopper tool and it's so much easier just chopping them like that, and they're really good. Oh yeah, those carrots are super soft now, which my family could do without the carrots. Probably would prefer it, just like the fried rice. You can check that out on our channel. We have lots of recipes and delicious food they could totally go without. All right, I'm gonna try a bite, see what we're working with here. Just want a little piece of chicken, nice bit of carrot and broth. Perfect bite. So hot. I think it could use a little more salt, pepper. I don't know what happened, y'all, but this looks like enough soup to feed the neighborhood. This is kind of a bigger chunk of chicken. Try another bite. Gonna add a little more water and we should be good to go. This is a ton of soup. All right, y'all, we're gonna bowl this beauty up. All right, let's bowl this up. This ladle is pretty flimsy, but it's big, so it gets the job done. We want a lot of noodle and chicken. All right, y'all, here we have it. We appreciate y'all for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think down below. What do you put in your chicken noodle soup that takes it over the top? Better than canned and budget friendly. Check out our channel for more recipes and family cooking. Peace out, y'all. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.